EISI Hotel is an all-in-one solution that digitalizes and optimizes every operational process, transforming hotel management with EISI Hotel. You can accurately and efficiently manage preventive maintenance, anytime and anywhere from your mobile device. Housekeeping managers can easily assign rooms and tasks, ensuring that every detail is perfect for guests. During the stay, EISI Hotel ensures a fast and seamless check-in thanks to real-time room status updates from housekeeping, ensuring rooms are spotless and issue-free. Courtesy calls to ensure guest satisfaction. Efficient work order management with real-time issue resolution. Complete traceability of voice of the customer, complaints and requests, all recorded and managed in real time. Accurate quality audits and health and safety task logs, ensuring top-tier quality management and food safety compliance. Complete compliance with health and safety regulations. Monitoring of hotels' energy consumption to minimize its carbon footprint. After each guest stay, the hotel management can access and review detailed reports on the EISI Hotel dashboard, identifying key areas of improvement. Request a demo today and discover how EISI Hotel can help you embrace the digital metamorphosis.